everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys my Halloween costumes that I made for Audrey and Kate. They were Woody and Jessie last year in 2024. I didn't get a chance yet to share a video with you guys of the steps that I took kind of making everything for these. We're kind of sitting around trying to think what the girls would like to do this year, and they didn't really have any ideas right away. And then we kind of thought about how Kate always has a good way of making her face sort of look like Woody, and we just thought that would be super funny if they did that. And then we went ahead kind of with that idea and had Audrey be Jessie. So I tried my best to kind of find things that would sort of look similar to the costume, to the outfit that the dolls wear, but not really shooting for it to be exactly the same because the girls wanted to be comfortable and, kind of have their own spin on it a little bit. So, of course, the first thing that had to happen was Kate had to have shorts. So I made sure to make her some shorts. And then from there, we also made a couple of other changes, sort of. I had almost all of the fabric as leftover scrap and things. But the only thing I didn't have was the yellow that is Woody's shirt. And to be fair, I think it's actually like a yellow shirt with like red lines on it or something. But yeah, so I was like, well, I'll just try to see if I can find something. And when I went to the fabric store in the discount bin, they happened to have this really bright yellow. But it's kind of this really thin, flimsy material. So it was a little hard to work with, but I was able to get it together kind of the way I wanted, which is good. So Kate's shorts and stuff were made from this material that kind of looks like denim, but is not. And then I made her shirt and also made the vest. And I didn't have any fabric that had a cow print on it, so I just went ahead and drew those spots on myself. I used big, kind of poster marker, and the whole house smelled really bad for a few days, but I got it all on there, okay? And then, so after we finished getting the pattern of the cow print on the fabric and making the vest, I also then put that little edging there with the yarn to make it kind of look how it does with the toy. And then the only other thing left for Kate's costume was the sheriff badge, and I was able to just take a screenshot of a picture from the page for the toy and make it the right size and print it out and glue it onto some cardboard and make a pin. So that part was kind of easy and maybe cheating a little bit. But and then for Audrey's costume, we kind of kept going back and forth between having her either wear a skirt or her black jeans. And I did make a skirt that was tiered and in like a blue that's sort of like a little different, lighter denim blue than what Kate's shorts were. And it turned out really good, and Audrey looked beautiful in them. She was wearing them in the pictures in the beginning. But then we also had her trying the jeans, and she looked so cool, and we're like, okay, yeah, that's definitely what we want to do there. So she went with the jeans, and I made a little blouse for her and put the little fringe accent on the sleeves for her. And then the only other thing really for her costume and also Kate's was their hats. And I was able to find a pretty cool pattern for the hats, and I used felt that I got from Daiso and kind of just made these hats for the two of them. And Kate's I sort of, formed a little bit more, and I kind of let Audrey's be a little more bigger, like more open, kind of like how Jessie's is. But both of them had the little accent yarn kind of threaded through the outside edge, so I added that. And when I finished everything, I thought it turned out pretty cool, and we were able to have a really fun time with them dressing up and then going and surprising the doggy outside. He was freaked out by that, of course. And I did actually make a costume for Ender. He was Ham. Is that his name? Ham? Ham. The piggy bank guy. I just made a little mask for him. And we had him kind of wear that just for 1 nanosecond. You might have seen some pictures of that at another time. But I'll make sure to give you guys all the details about where I got the patterns and everything that I used to make the costume in the description. So if you have any questions, you can look there. I use some places that I've been using for a few years now who always have really great costumes that are available for free. So if you're interested, you can check that out. And I had a lot of fun making stuff this year, and everything went pretty well. And I kind of got a chance to challenge myself, especially with the blouses. I thought they turned out really good. So yeah, I hope you guys had fun kind of seeing the behind the scenes of me making this year's or 2024's costumes. And I will see you guys all next time. Take care. Bye.